students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. You have completed chapter 1 of class 6. Now today I am going to start chapter 2, that is whole numbers. So let's see the introductory part of this chapter and what you are going to study in this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to cover, first of all, what is whole numbers, then what is predecessor and successor, then how to compare the numbers with the help of number line. Then we will see some properties for addition and multiplication. Meanwhile, we will do practice exercise also. So my dear students, are you ready to get started with whole numbers? Okay, but before going with whole numbers, let us understand the natural numbers, that what is natural numbers. So natural numbers denotes by the capital letter N. And what do we mean by natural numbers? The numbers which we used for counting. If I will ask you to count your fingers, then how will you start? You will start with 1. 1, 2, 3. If I will ask you to count these dots on the screen, then how will you start? 1, 2, 3. So what do we mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers means the numbers which starts from 1. 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. Infinite in this direction means it is endless. It is endless. And now begin with whole numbers. That what do we mean by whole numbers? So whole numbers denotes by the capital letter W, and it starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinite in this direction. So whole numbers starts with 0. And what do we mean by natural numbers? The numbers which we used for counting, and it starts with 1. Then let's move to another topic, that is successor. So what do we mean by successor? Successor means the number after, or you have to add 1 in the given number. You can remember in this way, successor, success मिलना, यानी आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो. So 9 का successor उसके next वाला number, that is 10. Or you can say, if you will add 1 to 9, then you will get 10. If I will ask you the successor of 1099, then what you are going to do? You are going to add 1 in this. So 9 plus 1, 10, 0 down, 1 up. 10, 0 down, 1 up. 1 and 1. So 1100 is the successor of 1099. So this is what we mean by successor. Yeah, but do you remember that digits and numbers? See, this 9 and 1. 9 is one digit number. 1 is also one digit number. 8 is one digit number. 7 is one digit number. But what about 10? 10 is two digit number. How? 1, see, do 10. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 together making 10. So 1 and 0 are two digits and 10 is a number. Similarly here, 1100. 1100 is a number, but in this 4 digits, 1, 1, 0, 0. So here how many digits? 4 digits. So 1100 is a number and 1100. These are the 4 digits of this number. So don't get confused between digits and number. Okay, so let's come back to the topic, that is successor. Successor means in the given number you are going to add 1. Then let's move to next topic, that is predecessor. So predecessor will be opposite of that. Predecessor means you are going to subtract 1 from the given number. So if I will ask you to find the predecessor of 2030, then from 2030 you are going to subtract 1, and you are going to subtract 1 from here, from ones. Do you know na? Ones, tens, hundreds, 100,000. So always we'll put here. Now let's start. 0 minus 1. Is it possible to subtract? No. So we are going to borrow from, if you are having 3 pens, you have given 1 to your friend, then how many left with you? 2. So here 10 minus 1, 9. Now here we don't have any number to subtract, so 2 will be as it is. Here 0 will be as it is and 2 will be as it is. So what is the predecessor of 2030? Predecessor of 2030 is 2029. Understood? So predecessor means you can consider as number before, and successor means you can consider as the number after. Understood? So in successor we are going to add 1, and in predecessor we are going to subtract. My dear students, we have completed the introductory part of this chapter, and you have gone through what is successor and predecessor. Now let's begin with the exercise. Here the first question is, write the next 3 natural numbers. We have to write how many? 3 natural numbers after 10,999. We have to write the number after or next number. If I will ask you which one is the number after 9 or the number next to 9, that is 10. So we have to find the number after 10,999. So you can consider it as successor also, because successor means the number after. So we are going to add 1 in that. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 up, 10, 1 up, 10, 1 up. Now 1 plus 0, 1 and 1. So this is the first number which is next to 10,999. Likewise we have to find how many numbers? We have to find 3 numbers. So now again in this number we are going to add 1. So 11,001. So this is our second number. Now again we are going to add 1 in this. So we will get the third number. So 11,002. So this is your third number. Understood? Question number 3 and 4 we will do later on. Let's start question number 4. So what is question 4? Write the successor of. Here they have given you different numbers. For each and every number you have to write the successor. So A, you have to write the successor of A. You all knows very well. What do you mean by successor? Successor means the number after, or you can consider as number plus 1. Means whatever the number they have given, in that number you are going to add 1. So let's find out the successor of this number. Can you tell me how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 digits are there. And what is the number? How will you read the number? Yes, 24,40,701. So let's find out the successor of it. How can we find out the successor? By adding 1 in the given number. So let's add 1 in this given number plus 1. Do you know now you have to add 1 at this place, at 1's place. So 1 plus 1, 2, 0 will be as it is. As we don't have to add any digit over here, we will put directly these numbers 4, 4 and 2. So this is your answer, 24,40,702. This is the successor of this number. Similar way you will get the answer of this tree. So this tree I wish that you will do by yourself. Okay, now let's begin with the predecessor. Predecessor means the number before, or you can subtract 1 from the given number. You will subtract 1 from the given number. So let's do that. 94 minus 1. So 4 minus 1, 3 and this 9. So this 93 is the predecessor of 94, or you can consider it as 93 is the number before 94. Similar way, from each and every you will subtract 1, you will get the answer. So for today we have completed till here. Now in next video we will continue with our next topic. Thank you.